So, typically the path to market for people finding our product is they'll read about it in Elle Decor magazine or HGTV, they'll see it on a special, or Jamie Oliver's Food Revolution, or some place where we had some really good product placement. People will learn a little bit about the story, they'll go to our website, they'll kind of fall in love with it, they'll figure out if the color scheme works for them, and then the next thing they do inevitably is look for a dealer on our website.
The person who helped me was extremely knowledgeable about the material and about, the different ways of fabricating it, different edges. They just were all around very professional.
We really look for the dealers in every network that are kind of part of the community, that get the product, that get that it's a specialty product, that really enjoy telling the features and benefits of this product that's made and utilizing recycled glass and made in America. I think that the people are looking for specialty products will really find them in their neighborhood kitchen and bath showrooms, which is the basis of our dealer network.
I love offering the vetrazzo product, for one thing because the story behind each slab is so unique and special. I know I find it really interesting to know that the ruby red, for example, is made from glass stemware and red plates that my grandmother used to collect that were somehow defective and had to be recycled.
We're not a price-driven product. I don't think we ever will be. We manufacture here in the United States. If that was the case, it would break my heart to know that customers are putting vetrazzo in their house without even knowing the story behind knowing what environmental or economic problem that they're a part of the solution for.
We talk to the customer about that and the value that they're getting for maybe the little more investment than they were originally expecting, in the fact that it's like buying a piece of artwork that's original versus buying a print. They're both pretty and they're both, a valuable use of your expendable income, but if you want the original that's special and different from the one everyone else has, then it's worth a little bit more.
For the purposes of this exercise, we are assuming more commonly available stone. Now, using industry standards as a guideline, let's assume that your entire gross margin for all surfacing jobs is roughly 20%. Applying your 20% gross margin, you will typically price granite and marble jobs to customers at approximately $70 to $100 per square foot, while you will price quartz at $72 and vetrazzo at $160 per square foot. So based on this pricing strategy using 20% margin, let's take a look at how this affects your business's bottom line. For any given job that you sell to your customer, you make roughly $14 to $20 per square foot for a job using granite or marble, only $14 per square foot for a job using quartz, and over $32 per square foot using vetrazzo. So what does this look like in practical terms? Using a sample kitchen countertop consisting of 75 square feet of counter space, your business would make a profit of approximately $1,058 to $1,569 for granite and marble, only $1,088 for quartz, and $2,400 for vetrazzo. Another way to think about this pricing strategy is that for every $1 in gross profit your business would earn selling lower-end granite or marble, you'd make the equivalent of $1.48 selling higher-end granite or marble, $1.03 selling quartz, but over $2.27 selling vetrazzo, well over 2 times the lower end granite and marble typically sold.
So if I was speaking with a friend who was planning to go that route, and thinking that this would not be an option because of the price of it, I would highly recommend it, because it is well, mostly because they're not going to see it everywhere, and I think it is going to get more popular, when people see it, but they're going to start using it more because it is such a, beautiful material, and it is green, and it is something that we can do to help the environment.